Hi everyone, here I'm going to talk about an experiment. On our Monday's lab, we were asked to build an electric motor. Then we needed to measure how fast it would spin. These are the materials that we were given: a holder, several magnets, a battery, and a copper coil. By using these materials, we built this setup. Why we built it this way? Because this way that the copper coil is perpendicular to the magnets. It means it will produce a Lorentz force that is able to make the copper coil spin. This is our experimental video. As you can see, initially the copper coil spin very fast, but it got stuck in the middle of the video. Why? Here is the key point behind it. When the copper coil spins to the isolated part, the current will not flow through the copper coil, but the copper coil will continuously spin due to inertia. That's why we need to give it a force to let it spin. Here is the physics behind the experiment. Because of the Ampere's law, when a direct current flows through a copper coil, the copper coil will generate a magnetic field. Then, by the reaction between the magnetic field and the current, they will produce an electromagnetic force. At the meantime, it makes the copper coil spin. Finally, we measure the speed it spins by using the tachymeter provided. To be honest, I didn't see how the tachymeter worked and how fast it spins. At last but not least, I think there are some uncertainty that might affect the result. First is the friction that might slow the speed down. For this, we could add some lube oil in it. Second, the copper coil might spin roughly because the copper coil itself is not round enough. In conclusion, there are not only one way to do an experiment, especially physics experiments. Ours is just the easiest way that we could thought of.